Hey guys, back again. It's the Snagging Breakdown, episode 3. Let's break down some more absolute shockers. The Snagging Breakdown, let's go.
Hey guys, starting off, this oven is completely loose.
Well, that's easy. They just need to secure it then, don't they?
Look at this. Above this window, we got a massive gap.
Oh my
That's
god.
gonna let wind in, rain in, everything.
So, let's go back to this window. So, the top of the window, they need to seal it, obviously. It's quite a large gap, so they might need to put a cover trim along the top first, then seal it with mastic. I wouldn't seal that just with mastic.
Who's the winkle spanner that didn't fix down this threshold trim? Great job.
Easy, that just needs fixing down.
At this property, we found that the system was leaking. Look
That's
at it.
easy. They just need to get a plumber to come and have a look, investigate, see what the issue is, and fix it.
This was sent in by one of our inspectors. Wall plate straps completely
Oh
loose.
my
How's
god.
that supposed to strap down the roof?
That's
And check out
ridiculous.
this-
So if we go back, we can see that the top of the wall plate strap is fixed into the wall plate, which is that bit of timber at the top of the brickwork. Now, this strap's job is to anchor down the wall plate. The roof is tied into the wall plate. The wall plate is then tied into the brickwork, basically. So if the screws and fixings aren't properly into the brickwork, then it's doing nothing really. And this inspector has just pulled it straight out of the brickwork. That is absolutely shocking.
How's that supposed to strap down the roof? And check out this absolute shocker. This wall is 20 millimeters up.
20 millimeters out of plumb. The tolerance is 8 millimeters. What they can do to fix this is they can plaster or plasterboard the wall where it needs more wall for it to come out, and basically they'll feather it out into tolerance.
Of plumb. The tolerance is 8 mil. To fix this, they're gonna have to bring it out by plasterboarding
Yo.
and replastering the wall. Shocking. Hey guys,
Well done.
back again, and Persimmon Homes are at it again. You're not
Oh,
gonna
no.
believe this shocker. This brickwork is absolutely perfect.
Absolutely perfect. No, they did do a good job. And I do try, if I do see good properties, I do try and, you know, do videos on them. But it's hard to do a good video at a property if, say the brickwork's really good, right? But then say everything else is really bad. How can I ever do a good video on that property if only like 10% of it is good?
It's perfectly plumb. It's nice and straight. It's clean. The pointing's really good.
Beautiful.
Good job. Someone in the comment section wanted a good video yesterday, so I thought I'd do this.
There you
Good
go.
job. Hey guys, back again. Starting off, this new post is massively out of plumb.
That new post is massively out of plumb. Now, as for fixing this issue, we've got a whole can of worms to open up. Okay, so I give a massive tolerance for newel posts to be out of plumb because they're made out of timber. It's natural. They do move. But this one's, what was it, 20 mil? That's going to need a lot of work. You might have to move the stairs. You might have to remove some walls. There's so many issues in just trying to solve this one issue that it's an absolute nightmare. It's one of those things that you've got to get right straight away, because afterwards, once everything's plasterboarded and painted, it's going to be an absolute nightmare. Not for me. I'm glad I'm not the one fixing it.
This is massively out of plumb. This extraction hood is completely loose.
That just needs tightening up.
We got a massive chip to this pedestal.
Look at that. Now, this chip can be professionally repaired, or they can replace the whole pedestal. That is a rather large chip, so I hope they would replace it.
Would you like some salt and vinegar to go with that? So this access lid was completely loose.
I'm an idiot.
However, we did notice that there was no Durgo valve installed to the SVP.
How was that missed? So that lid should have some fixings on the top of it so it can be easily removed. And also there should be a Durgo valve on the top of the SVP. The Durgo valve, otherwise known as an air admittance valve, it allows air to flow down into the pipe and not back through the pipe. And what you'll get in this room is some really bad smells, because all of the gases that are in that SVP and in the drains are all going to come through that. It's going to stink. So it needs a Durgo valve to stop the stink, and then everyone's going to live happily ever after. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. See you later. Next snag.
Was that miss? This toilet appears to be leaking, so the developer needs to investigate and find out where it's leaking from.
Like I say in the video,
What's a snagging video without finding fake weep vents? It's absolutely shocking.
bloody fake weep vents. They'll be the death of me, I swear to God. Right then, so fake weep vents. I'm going to explain how it's fixed and what they are. So a fake weep vent is basically a full weep vent that's been cut down and pushed into a small hole made in the mortar to make it look like a real weep vent has been fixed. How you can fix this is you would dig out the whole mortar perp all the way back to the cavity tray, fit a full weep vent into that perp and point around it, and jobs are good. And why couldn't they just do that straight away? God knows. It's because they're really lazy and they do not give a yes, that word.
Defense is absolutely shocking.
It's absolutely shocking.
Trying to tell us something. Tell us what your secrets are, Bat. I want to be a jacuzzi. This is
So the drains were blocked, causing the toilet to bubble. So all they need to do is unblock the drains.
internal wall is 21 millimeters out of plumb. The
I've already explained how we fix this issue.
tolerance is 8 millimeters. Ridiculous. We've got a block missing to the top of this gable wall.
So they need to just put a new block at the top of the gable wall. It's going to be difficult to try and fit it in though.
I mean, how did that get missed? That off. So the protection hasn't been removed from the bottom of the garage door. As you can see, it's trapping water. That's later going to corrode. So let's
Exactly.
remove this protection. There we go. The wood butcher's been at it again, drilling.
So we got some holes, excess screw holes in this door. They'll just get a magic man to come and repair that. He'll use some sort of like wax product. He'll do a good job. Okay guys, well that's the end of the video. I hope that helped explain the issues a lot better. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below and subscribe. And until next time, it's been the Snagging Breakdown. I'll see you later. Peace.